Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing 10-pin bowling. This is a great drill when you don't have as lovely weather as this. If it's a little bit rainy or too windy or stormy outside, we can come indoors and we can have a crack at this really fun bowling challenge. Going to be using a balled up sock as a ball so that I don't break any windows. And we need a nice long space. I've come out onto my stoop because it's really nice and long and thin, perfect for bowling. If you have a corridor or a long lounge or dining room or something like that with a bit of space, that'll be perfect for this drill. You're going to set up your pins at one end. I'm using old toilet roll holders or roller towel you can also use, or water bottles, empty water bottles, that also works. Anything that you have that resembles a pin that's going to stay in place. You're going to set that up at the one end and you're going to mark out a nice distance away for you to bowl from at the other end. Aim of the game is to knock down all of the pins within 3 bowls. Keep in mind with this game to remember the fundamentals of bowling. Alright, we want to be making sure action is nice and smooth. If you have space for a run-up, make sure the run-up is nice and smooth, that we're going in straight lines towards the target, and we keep our arms in big circles around, going in a straight line. Alright, so you don't want a ceiling that's too low. You want to be able to really extend your arm all the way towards your target. Have a go. Comment down below how many you get within your 3 bowls.